I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to move multiple app icons on your iPhone at the same time.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Your first step is to tap and hold any app icon on your home screen, for example, Google Maps. My next step will be to click Edit Home Screen. Next, I will tap and hold this Google Maps icon like I want to move it. Now, while I'm holding this single app, I will also quickly tap another app icon that I want to move at the same time, for instance, Settings. Now, as you can see, there is a 2 next to the app that I'm holding, showing that it is moving both of these icons at the same time. You can drag these to your desired page or folder or section of your screen. I can swipe with my other finger to move to the next page or swipe back. When you're ready to leave these apps in a particular location, release your finger and your apps will be set in that particular location. When everything is in the right place, click Done on the top right and you're all set.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.